Good morning, beta. Let's continue with the revision of chapter number 1, that is integers. Exercise 1.3 we were doing. Question number 7 we have to start. Yes, look here. I just want to explain this type of question because similar examples are given. I'm going to explain one question. Question number 7 is, in a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. Actually, in the test, there are total 10 questions and each question carry 5 marks. So what's the total marks for the test? 50 marks ka test ho gaya. If you are giving all the correct 10 answer, then you will get 50 marks. Means total test value is 50. And if you are giving the wrong answer, then 2 marks will be deducted. And 0 marks for not attempting. And if you have not given the test, then 0 marks will be given. Means अगर आपने कोई question attempt नहीं किया, 10 में से 9 attempt किया, तो you will get the marks of 9 question and 10th question you will get 0 marks for that. ठीक है? First part is Mohan got 4 correct answer. एक question correct होता है तो कितने marks मिलते हैं? 5. 4 question correct है तो कितने marks मिलेंगे? 20 marks for correct answer. 20 कैसे आया? 5 4s are 20. टोटल 10 क्वेश्चन है जिसमें से उसके 4 करेक्ट हैं, 5 इनकरेक्ट है. टोटल 10 क्वेश्चन है, 4 करेक्ट है, 6 इनकरेक्ट है. 4 का आंसर उसने करेक्ट दिया, 6 रॉन्ग है. 2 marks will be deducted for each wrong answer. Then how much marks will be deducted for 6 questions? 6 2s are 12. So marks for incorrect, or you can write wrong, 6 into -2, that is -12. He has got 20 marks for the correct, -12 for the wrong. Total marks कितने हो जाएंगे? 20 - 12 दोनों को प्लस कर देंगे, 8 marks. Means out of the 50 marks in the test, Mohan has got 8 marks. Clear है? 20 marks आए थे जब उसने right answer दिया, लेकिन 6 question he has attempted wrong. So 6 2s are 12 marks deduct हो गए. So he has got 8 marks out of 50 marks total. Got it? Is it okay? Yes, who will do the second part of this question? चलो आओ आप. Second part. Second part is Rashmi got 5 correct answer and 5 incorrect. Correct के लिए प्रभनूर कितने marks मिलेंगे for 5 correct answers? एक correct answer के कितने marks हैं? तो 5 question के कितने marks मिलेंगे आशिमा? 25. और 5 wrong है. Wrong के लिए कितने marks डिडक्ट होंगे? 10. 5 2s are correct के लिए 5 मिलेंगे. 5 5s are 25. 5 wrong है and each wrong answer will deduct your 2 marks. So 5 2s are 10. ठीक है, -10 कट गए. 25 marks he has got. 10 has been deducted. Then marks scored will be 15. 25 minus 10 is 15 marks. Rashmi has got total 15 marks in the test. No beta, bracket ब्रैकेट का मतलब है मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं. हट, रिमूव द ब्रैकेट. स्टेप. स्टेपलर है किसी के पास? Any doubt in this? Now start third part. Notebook छोड़ दो वहीं पे. Bring your book. Janvi, roll number 21. Janvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Janvi, you had not given the first revision test.
Yes, ma'am.
Why, beta?
मैम एक्चुअली मैं घर पे नहीं थी.
Beta, you know this, it's compulsory to give the revision test. When you are coming to school, earlier also you have to give the test. It's compulsory for you. Then how you... Question number 8. That is related to profit loss. Profit will always be added and loss will always be subtracted. Hemant. Till roll number 30, I have checked the test and returned. Okay. And today, all of you will get your PDF, checked PDF. ठीक है? And those who were absent in the test, they will call me and tell me the reason. I want to talk to their parents. And list of defaulters, those who were absent in the revision test, will be uploaded in the group today. हाँ, ये 0 आएगा इसमें. क्यों? 10 - 10 0 होता है. Yes, profit on the sale of the cement bag is ₹8. 3,000 bags has been sold and profit on each bag is ₹8. So that will give you the profit of 24,000. And on the gray bag, you have loss of ₹5. 5,000 bags has been sold. 5,000 bags है ना? तो रुपीस नहीं आएगा, उधर भी नहीं आएगा. 5,000 into 5 is 25,000. This is your total profit. This is your loss. When you combine this is greater. That means the shopkeeper is having the loss of ₹1,000. Yes, do it. Hurry up. Don't note down the things from the board. You do your question at your own. This is the last question of this exercise. So after this, we will do 1.4. Which question? Blanks we have discussed. Blanks we have done yesterday, na? So this is the last question of this exercise. After this, start with 1.4. That is, I think, related to division. Okay, that's very much easy. One more part is there. Yes, so the shopkeeper is having the loss of ₹1,000 because the loss is greater than the profit. So 25,000 minus 24,000 will give you a loss. ठीक है, इसको हटाओ, ये greater है ना, तो यहाँ लिखो loss आएगा, ये रब कर दो, loss आएगा, not profit. Actually, loss is greater than profit, so shopkeeper is having loss. In total, he is having loss. In the B part, the shopkeeper is having neither profit nor loss. Is this? Yes, neither profit nor loss. That means the profit is equal to the loss. Means जितना भी profit हुआ है वो loss के equal है. That's why the shopkeeper is having no loss, no profit. तो जितना white bag पे profit है उतना ही grey bags पे loss है. दोनों equal है. आता है? एक मिनट देखिए क्या कर रहे हो. बैग्स नहीं इक्वल, प्रॉफिट और लॉस इक्वल है. ग्रे बैग्स इतने सोल्ड हुए हैं. ये देखो बच्चे, 6400 ग्रे बैग्स हैज बीन सोल्ड and on one bag the shopkeeper is having the loss of ₹5. So it will be multiplied with 5 to get the total loss. इतने बैग सोल्ड हुए हैं, एक बैग पे ₹5 का लॉस होता है, तो 6400 पे कितने का लॉस होगा? 6400 इंटू 5 मल्टीप्लाई करके यू विल गेट टोटल लॉस. और जो लॉस है वही व्हाइट बैग पे प्रॉफिट है. तो व्हाइट बैग का प्रॉफिट कितना हो जाएगा? जितना यहां से आएगा 32,000. ठीक है, टोटल loss on gray bags is 6400 into 5, that is 32,000. And in the beginning I have already told you loss is equal to profit. Loss कितने हैं? 32,000, and that is the profit on white bag, and the profit on one bag is ₹8, and total profit कितना हुआ है? 32,000. तो number of white cement is bags is given by 32,000 divided by 8, that is 4,000. ग्रे बैग्स 6400 सोल्ड हुए हैं और व्हाइट बैग्स 4000, और इसका प्रॉफिट भी 32,000 है, इसका लॉस भी 32,000 है, एंड बोथ आर इक्वल. दैट्स व्हाई द कंपनी सफर नो प्रॉफिट नो लॉस. गॉट इट? Any doubt in this? बच्चे एनी डाउट? Is this clear? Ashima, come. Do the next question from 1.4. Bring your book. Clean it. Clean करो इसे. First question, E part. Rub it tightly. Hurry up. First question, E part. E part, E. Tomorrow onward, you all have to enter with the sequence like roll number, then your name, then your class and section. Otherwise, it will be, you will not be admitted in the room. Guneet, Guneet. पहले इसको सॉल्व करो. प्लस माइनस करो, माइनस साइन बड़े वाले का. हाँ, ब्रैकेट लगाओ, बाकी आगे वाला लिखो. अब 13 को -1 से डिवाइड करो. 13 को -1 से डिवाइड करो, क्या आएगा? है बेटा, डिवाइड करना है. 13 को -1 से डिवाइड करो, क्या आएगा? क्या आएगा आंसर खुशी? -13. 1 से डिवाइड करोगे, 2 को 1 से डिवाइड करते हो 2 ही आता है. 3 को 1 से डिवाइड करते हो 3 ही आता है. 13 आएगा. -13. करो. नेक्स्ट पार्ट, F. 39. 39 होने चाहिए. गुनीत लिखा है, ये 10 है. बेटा इधर आओ, इस साइड पे करो. ब्रिंग डस्टर, क्लीन इट. व्हाई यू आर सिटिंग फ्री? क्या वो? Having any doubt? 4 आएगा. 4. Yes, do all the parts. The students who are getting the chance to do the sums on the board, they will do the selected parts. But you all have to do all the parts. Don't skip any part. 0 divided by -12 is 0. What is 6 divided by 0? 6 divided by 0. Not defined. You can't divide any number with 0. It is not defined. Udhar se jao. It is not defined. But you can divide 0 with any number and the answer is always 0. Yes, Mitul, come. Do next sum. Do all the parts, hurry up. G part. ये भी कर देते हैं. वो ले लो. Yes, sanitize your hands. प्रभनूर, आप भी सैनिटाइज करो. Close the bracket, beta. Yes, is it clear? Solve the bracket first. Minus 30 and minus 1. Minus minus plus, answer is minus 31. When you divide the same number, answer is 1. चलो बुक कौन लाएगा? H part. इधर आओ. जल्दी करो. ये you will divide 36 with 12. किसके कहाँ पे आता है 12 के टेबल में 36? 3 पे तो लिखो आंसर. -3. -1. वो साइड से. चलो इस साइड. इस साइड. अच्छे से करो. चलो आई पार्ट इधर से स्टार्ट करो. Yes, those who have left the class in the middle, they all are supposed to be absent in the today's class. Put bracket, beta. Answer is it same? Cancel it out. Same. नहीं बेटा कैंसिल कर दो. सेम नंबर कैंसिल हो जाता है ना. 2 1 से 2 नहीं होता. सेम है, कैंसिल होके क्या आएगा? 1. Go. She has solved the first bracket and the answer is -1. And from the second bracket, answer is again -1. Same number 2 divided by 2 will give you 1. In the same manner, -1 divided by -1 will give you 1. Is it okay? Do the next part. Yes, Akrikam. Second question, first part. This is the last exercise now. So your homework is whatsoever question will be left from this exercise that you will solve in homework as today's homework. Okay. So exercise 1.4 is your homework. You will solve the remaining sums. बेटा इधर हो. बेटा क्वेश्चन मत लिखो, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड, रब इट, स्टार्ट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, LHS लिख के स्टार्ट करो, देन RHS. Yes. सारे सारे मल्टीप्लाई करने हैं, ये पूछ रहे हो? सारे पार्ट्स पूछ रहे हो? जो रिमेनिंग है उसके पार्ट्स करने हैं. रूल कौन सा बेटा? रूल तो कोई, दो पार्ट है ना, एक में डिफरेंट वैल्यू है, दूसरे में डिफरेंट है. पहले एक पार्ट में वैल्यूज पुट करनी है, फिर दोबारा सेकंड पार्ट. आप एक कर लो, कोई डबल पार्ट है ना, आप सिंगल कर लो. हरी अप, बेल हो जाएगी, कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाएगा, जल्दी करो. ये कैन यू टेल मी द नेम ऑफ दिस प्रॉपर्टी? प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ डिवीजन. हमने मल्टीप्लाई की है ना, यहाँ बाहर क्या है? डिवीजन है डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव ही, पर इंस्टेड ऑफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन हियर डिवीजन इज गिवन. तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ डिवीजन ओवर एडिशन. ठीक है, क्लियर है? वन 1.4 अभी तो बोला. इज इट वेरीफाइड? यस, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में नॉट इक्वल तो कह रहा है आपसे, नॉट इक्वल कह रहा है ना. चेक सम. नॉट इक्वल, तो आपका नॉट इक्वल ही तो आ रहा है, तो हेंस वेरीफाइड. Is it okay? Actually, in the question, it is given that these two sides are not equal, and we are getting them as not equal. So that means this is hence verified. Question number? नहीं, 2 रहने दो, थर्ड करो. That is related to finding pairs की blanks. चलो कर दो, एक साइड की 4 blanks कर दो. Next question is filling the blanks. You have to write the appropriate number. Yes. Put line in between. Line डाल के करना है. Whenever you are going to verify the sum, you have to solve both the sides separately. Don't write them together. Otherwise, half marks will be deducted. Put line, do left hand side and right hand side separately. Then write the answer at the end. Hence verified, are they equal or not, whatsoever is there. So 369 divided by 1 will give you the same answer. Whenever you divide any number with 1, that will give you same number as answer.